Hello everyone, well, if you're watching with my videos right now, I'm already here in our backyard. In our backyard we have a lot of different kinds of chicken. We have chicken masala, chicken biryani and chicken chapati and then chicken aloo gobi and a lot more. So I will going to tour you in our chicken farm. So this is what we called our chicken head, the head of the family. That's why I called him a chicken head, because he is the head of the family and he has a lot of children, and I believe that the children is our future, and just teach them well and just lead them the way. And right now, if there's a head of the family chicken, of course that is the red one, the family, and then there's a lot of children right there. There's a blacky chicken and then and a lot more. So we will go now to the mother chicken who have a lot of eggs, because we visited of course their houses right now, because we are giving away a lot of what we call the vitamins and minerals for them to don't have a lot of diseases. That's wonderful creature and this wonderful weather right now. So we will have a close encounter with the mother chicken. Of course the mother chicken is laying a lot of eggs. There's a lot of eggs, so that is why we counted it. They have different kinds of what we call that mother chicken boxes. So we have water one. I'm telling you, this one is the tiger mother chicken. Why is it tiger? Because up close and personal. So that's it. That's the mother chicken, and of course this chicken is no more problem anymore, because I talked to the mother chicken and I told them to use this. This is what we call Panamox. Panamox says water soluble and Panamox Forte, because this is really amazing. And if your chicken have a lot of problem with their digestive tract, with their body, they have headache, they have chicken pox. They're asking me if the chicken have chicken fox. Of course they have chicken fox. We cannot see it because of their feather. Their feather is covering the chicken fox, but the chicken have a lot of chicken fox, because the chicken is the main source of chicken fox, so they have a lot of chicken pox. So right now, so this is it. This is what we call Panamox Forte for my chicken, and I thank God for this, because sometimes we have this what we call the from the weather that we have, because of coldness, because of sickness of the chicken. We cannot hide the fact that they will going to be very ill. So that is why I'm using this. So we will talk to the chicken right now. So this is the mother chicken. The mother chicken is the one who lay a lot of eggs. So how are you? What are you doing right now in the box? And she said to me that she's not feeling well right now, so that's the reason why I don't need to go to doctor. So I just need to have this Panamox Forte to use it for my chicken, and for my chicken to live happily ever after. Okay, how are you there? How are you feeling right now, the way that you are laying eggs? Are you tired of laying eggs because you are just a chicken? Oh my god, she's not in the mood right now because she's not talking to me. So we will just go back to the chicken if she's in the mood, because she's not in the mood right now. So we will go back another day to talk with the chicken. So that's it for today for our Indianong mini. This is your Indianong mini for our blog for today for Panamox. So there you go.